안녕하세요. 반갑습니다.
Hello, nice to meet everyone.
오늘은 저 질문하러 나왔습니다.
Today I'm here to ask questions to John.
I will try my best. 이렇게 만나게 돼서 너무 흥분이 됩니다. 왜냐하면 처음 이제 존의 영화를 본 게 15살 때였는데
I am so excited to be here with you today because I was 15 years old when I first saw one of your films.
So it takes actually 40 years. 만나는 데까지 사실.
It took 40 years to finally meet you.
Which movie did you see at 15?
It was Dark Star from the Korean very strange TV station called AFKN, which means American Forces Korean Network. 그 군인들을 위한 방송이었는데.
It was a network for US soldiers in Korea.
Oh, wow. Well, I'm glad you saw it.
그 당시에 한국이 좀 되게 보수적이었었어요. 그 군사 독재 하에 있었고요. 그 당시에
At the time, Korea was under a military government, so things were very conservative.
quite many movie was censored in the TV, but AFKN there was actually no censorship.
Right?
So all those violence and sex. 그래서 엄마 아빠 잘 때 몰래 나와서 제가 어릴 때 AFKN을 봤었어요. 금요일 밤에.
So when my parents were asleep, I would sneak out into the living room every Friday night to catch AFKN.
근데 어느 날 되게 이상한 우주선에 이상한 괴물체가 다니는 영화를 보게 된 거예요.
And then one day I stumbled upon this very strange spaceship movie with a very strange alien creature.
그것이 다크스타라는 건 한 20년이 지나고 나서 알았어요. 처음 볼 때는 인포메이션이 없었기 때문에.
At the time when I first watched it, I had no information about the film, so it took me 20 years to realize that that film was Dark Star.
첫 번째 영화셨던 거죠?
And that was your first feature film, right?
Yes, it was. Yes, it was.
댄 오베넌이라는 이제 그 크리에이터랑 같이 작업을 하신 걸로 알고 있는데.
I know that you worked with Dan O'Bannon to create those.
Yes, we worked together, and he went on to write and work on Alien, the very first Ridley Scott hit. And Dan was a close friend. Passed away, unfortunately. He's looking down tonight and cursing me.
그 만드실 때 어떤 상황이었나요? 그 세트를 어디에 또 지으셨고 다 모든 것이 궁금합니다. 워낙 오래전이지만.
It was a while ago, but I'm just so curious about everything surrounding that film. Like, how did you build the set? Where was it? What was going on in your life when that was made?
Well, I was a young lad. I did not have a mustache. We built the main control room set on the soundstage at USC, which was the stables behind the girls' dorm. This was a rich kids' school, USC. So the girls, they built the stables in the 20s or 30s for them. But then they decided to put the film school in there. It was sensational, though. Sensational. So we built it there, and then there were other places that we went when we had to raise more money to make it into a feature film. It was shot in 16 millimeter and then blown up.
16mm. Super 16 or normal 16?
Regular 16?
Regular 16. 와. 그리고 이제 스페셜 이펙트를 그 당시 정말 원초적인 스페셜 이펙트들이 있는데 그 약간 공처럼 생긴 우주인도 나오고요. 그런 스페셜 이펙트에 대한 영화를 처음부터 하고 싶으셨던 건지 그 이후에 엄청난 프랙티컬 이펙트 영화들의 걸작들을 많이 만드시게 되는데 처음부터 그런 꿈이 있으셨던 건지.
So at the time, the film features such a great special effect creature. It's quite primitive, but nonetheless great. And then, of course, you went on to make all those amazing practical effect films. But were you interested in special effects from the very beginning? Is that why you had that creature?
Well, special effects are a huge pain in the ass. Okay, they're just huge. They take forever. They mostly look like crap, but you have to work them. And the creature in Dark Star was a beach ball that we painted and put feet on. And I will give you a bit of trivia. The guy who played the beach ball, operated him, was later the shape in Halloween, Nick Castle, the same Nick Castle, the legendary Nick Castle.
그 프랙티컬 이펙트가 얼마나 어려운지는 저도 체험해봤기 때문에 조금 아는데요. 네.
So I've also experienced how difficult practical and special effects are. So I know a
조금.
little bit of the struggle.
당신의 새끼 발톱만큼.
Just like, yeah, a tiny piece of the struggle that you went through. I also.
Let me ask you, do you like practical effects or computer effects?
Actually, it was very painful, but I enjoyed it. Just 11 shot in the host, my previous the monster movie. The other shot was all by digital, but there was 11 practical effect monster shot by the animatronics puppet. There was 4 Australian guy. 호주 사람 4명이 이렇게
Yeah, 4 Australian guys doing that.
오퍼레이팅을 하는데
Operating.
그들은 되게 시리어스한데 보는 우리는 약간 웃겨서 웃으면 안 되는데.
And they were so serious doing it, but everyone watching, we were just like trying to hold our laughter because it looked so silly.
I know it's quite tough, but 그러다가 이제 그 릭 베이커 같은 놀라운 이제 그런 전문가들을 만나게 되시잖아요. 언제 처음 만나게 되신 건가요?
And then you went on to meet experts like Rick Baker. And when did you first meet Rick?
Rick came to me, right before we made the thing. And he was about to do a scary alien movie for Spielberg. But Spielberg said, Carpenter could do this in his sleep, so I want to do something happy. So instead he made E.T. And that movie was the happy movie of 1982, and my movie was the fucked movie of 1982.
이 The Thing 제가 뭐 도대체 몇 번 봤는지 모르겠어요. 무척 여러 번 봤는데요. 최근에 이제 4K로 나온 이제 UHD 블루레이까지 해서 정말 여러 번 봤는데 볼 때마다 이제 감독님이 만들어내신 그 무시무시한 특수효과 샷이 과연 컴퓨터 그래픽으로 디지털로 했으면 저런 느낌이 났을까라는 생각이 들거든요. 정말 그 원초적인 파괴력 같은 게 있는데.
I can't even recall how many times I've watched The Thing. I watched it so many times throughout my life. Recently, I watched the 4K UHD Blu-ray of it. And every time I watch it, I'm just horrified by all the practical effects and those creatures that you see in the film. And I wonder if it would have been possible to get that effect with CG. It's so primitive and destructive.
But was it nightmare on set?
Yes, but it was worth it. It was worth it. Practical effects were done by Rob Bottin. He was the young effects guy who came in and said to me, the thing can look like anything in the universe, anything, because it's imitated all these other species. And I thought, aha, I've never seen this. Usually there's one look for a monster. And this we can go crazy here. So we did. And we had a whole building full of designers working on sequences and designs, and the result, the movie is the result. My favorite section of special effects is the scene on the paddles, the open chest, the head crawls off, tears off, runs across the floor, grows stalks, and skitters away. I love that. Love it.
저도 그 장면 너무나 지금은 좋아하지만 볼 당시엔 너무 충격적이었는데요.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite scenes too. I love it now, but when I first saw it, I was so shocked.
머리가 찍 늘어져서 바닥에 떨어지고 거기서 스파이더처럼 다리가 나와서 막 가는데 그 장면을 본 후에 제가 한 1년 동안 그 대게 요리를 못 먹었어요.
So you see the head drooping down and then all the legs coming out and crawling away. Like crawling away. And for a year after watching that film, I couldn't eat crabs.
Almost 1 year.
Wow.
Very traumatic,
Well,
traumatic experience.
the crazy thing about that was that when the movie came out, it was hated by critics and audiences alike. And they all said, it's so disgusting. Except for the major critic at the New York Times, who said it's too phony to be scary. Now, which is it, dude? Which is it? I'm sorry, I apologize.
그분들은 아마 지금 되게 깊은 많은 후회를 하고 계시지 않을까 이런 생각 드네요. 네.
I bet they all really regret saying what they said.
여기 아마 와 계실 수
Maybe some of them are here today. Maybe here.
I'd like to gather a few of them together in a room for just 5 minutes. That's all I need. And I believe in payback.
그,
Sorry, enough.
그 5분이 정말 공포스러운 최고의 호러 무비의 5분이 될 것 같고요.
I feel like that would make the best horror film of all time. Those 5 minutes.
Horror short movie. Yeah, 5 minutes. And actually 그 여러 영화들이 다 너무 무시무시하지만 저는 특히 개인적으로 제일 공포를 많이 느꼈던 거는 그 어둠의 왕자.
So all your films are horrifying in the best sense, but personally, I was most terrified when I watched Prince of Darkness.
It was 1995. 내가 이제 결혼하려고 조그만 신혼집을 장만했을 텐데요.
I had recently bought a house to live with my wife. I had just gotten married at the time.
근데 아직 글로 이사는 안 가고 집은 비어 있고 그냥 이불 한 개만 있고 TV랑 비디오 플레이만 있었어요. 근데 그 약간 집은 다 아직 비어 있고 그런데 자꾸 제가 혼자 거기 가서 아직 이사를 안 왔는데 거기서 뭐 영화를 보고 그랬거든요. 왜 그랬는지 몰라. 네.
So we hadn't officially moved in at the time and the house was empty. All I had was a blanket and a TV and a VHS player. And although we hadn't moved in, I would occasionally go there to watch a movie on my own.
And unfortunately, I watched Prince of Darkness alone in the midnight. And 그 정말 무서웠어요.
I was terrified.
그 공포의 그 거울 속으로 정말 그 물표면처럼 된 거울 있잖아요. 거기 나 자신이 이렇게 빨려 들어가는 느낌이었는데.
And you have that giant mirror that's kind of like a water surface, and it felt like I was going to be sucked into that mirror.
그 공포의 그 교회 모두가 갇혀 있는 그게 LA에 있는 거라고 요 근처에 있다고 누가 좀 전에 얘기하던데.
So that horrifying church, I just heard that that church building is in LA, and it's not
Yes,
far
it's still
behind.
down there. If you want to go down, it was a great location. Well, we lucked into that thing.
거기 몇 주 정도 찍으셨나요? 거기서?
So how many weeks did you shoot there?
I forget how. It wasn't very long. 30 days, I think, we were down there. We shot elsewhere too, but the mirror was we needed a liquid-like surface. So what we did was we took a crane, a movie crane. This is illegal. Don't try this at home. And we turned it upside down and drained all the mercury out. And it's perfect, Lisa. Perfect. So we used that, and it was great. We put the mercury back in the crane, and it's all fine now. Everybody's happy.
배우들이 많이 마시기도 하고 그랬는데.
So the actors drank the mercury and all?
No. It was a close-up. It was a close-up.
But that crazy hand.
Yeah.
그 배우가 안으로 확 그 여배우가 마지막에 클라이막스에 빨려 들어가는 것도 있는데요. 그거는 이제 워터 탱크에서 하신 건가요?
And in the climax, the actress gets sucked into the liquid. And was that in a water tank?
No, that was, it was swimming pool. It was a swimming pool with all the lights out. and she was terrified of water, but she went right ahead and did it. I'm so proud of her. So proud of her.
그리고 그 당시 보면서 뭐 여러분들도 그랬겠지만 저도 가장 충격받았던 장면이 그 양복 속에서 검은색 벌레들이 쏟아져 나오면서 무너져 내리는 사람 캐릭터가 있는데 예.
So I have a question. How soon after you watched The Prince of Darkness did your wife move into the house with you?
이틀 정도 간격이. 예.
2 days.
Well, you see, we might have started a family if she'd been there when you watched. Because those are designed to grab the girls when they.
우리 애기 엄마도 아니고 저 와이프도 되게 큰 팬인데요. 예.
My wife is a huge fan of yours.
근데 약간 좋아하는 작품은 좀 달라요.
But we like different films of yours.
Is that right?
투명 인간의 사랑을 좋아합니다.
She likes Memoirs of an Invisible Man.
Wow. I love your wife.
Thank you so much. 아까 질문하려다 못했던 거, 그 벌레.
Oh, so I wanted to ask you a question about Prince of Darkness. I'm sure a lot of people in the audience agree, but one of the most terrifying scenes for me was when the guy in the suit, it turns out that he's filled with insects, and then the insects come out, and you see the man like topple down to the
Bugman.
floor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, that was ripped off from a great book called The Green Brain. I recommend it highly. It's Frank Herbert that wrote it, and I think it's Frank Herbert. Anyway, it's about insects who can gather together and form a human being, and then they cross the border into the United States. They're from. This is how they get into our country, by the way. So I ripped off the the man made up of insects, and we had a insect wrangler who was there on set, and he wasn't very happy with the scene where the guy stomps on the insects, but he was very unhappy with that. But nice guy, and everything worked out fine. And the insects went to heaven.
몇 마리였는지 혹시 기억하시는?
Do you remember how many insects?
Sorry for silly
Whole
question.
bunch, a whole bunch.
만져보기도 하시나요?
Have you ever like touched those insects?
You hate it?
I have a tarantula. I held a tarantula. You know a tarantula?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sweet little thing. He was great.
아까 그 프랭크 허버트 책 아이디어 얻으셨다고 했는데 어디서 많이 영감을 얻으시나요? 아까 우리 밥 먹을 때 그 해머 스튜디오 호러 무비 얘기도 하고 그랬었는데 영감의 여러 원천이 있으실 텐데요.
So you just mentioned you ripped off from the Frank Herbert book. I'm curious, where you get your inspiration from. Earlier during dinner, we talked about your favorite Hammer movies.
Well, for instance, Escape from New York, I got my inspiration from a couple of novels. One by, I believe it was Harry Harrison. I'm not sure though. It was about a guy who goes. There's a big problem on the toughest planet in the universe, so they send in the toughest guy. That was Escape from New York. That's where I came up with that. And the Starman was an assignment. The Thing was an assignment. I wasn't sure I wanted to do The Thing. Because I love the original so much. But I ended up doing it because it was my first studio film at Universal.
그 오리지널 The Thing을 처음 보신 건 언제였어요? 되게 어릴 때 보셨겠네요.
So when did you first watch the original The Thing from Another World?
1950s. That was a famous popcorn rising movie where when they open the door and there's the thing, the popcorn goes flying in the air. It's so frightening.
You were children at the
Yeah. I was young.
So shocked.
It's terrifying, yeah. The Fly, the same thing happened in the original Fly. When she pulls off the hood over her husband and he's a flyhead, I went, ah! Terrified me, terrified.
저도 어렸을 때 이제 TV에서 방송해주는 유니버설 그 클래식 호러 영화 보고 밤잠을 설치고 그랬던 적이 많이 있었는데요.
Yeah, I remember catching the Universal horror classics on TV late at night when I was little and just like staying up all night from terror.
Weren't they great?
너무 아름답죠. 요즘도 다시 보는데요, 가끔씩. 예.
Yeah, they're so beautiful. I watch them here and there again.
The Monster, Creature from Blue Lagoon, and also Cat People. 다 명작들이죠.
All
벨
great
루튼.
films.
All of them, yeah.
근데 어른이 되고 나서도 공포감을 느낀 건 아무래도 대부분 감독님 영화였던 것 같아요. 어른이 되고선 영화를 봐도 별로 안 무서웠는데.
But I think it's really your films where even to this day, after I've become an adult, I still get terrified.
God bless you.
정말 너무 지겨운, 정말 신물나는 그런 질문 해도 될까요?
Can I ask you a question that you're probably really sick of?
Okay, go ahead.
라스트의 마지막에 누구예요?
So who is the thing? At the very end.
I'm so sorry about this. You can confess now. please.
Well, there's a giant hint in the middle of the film. But I can tell you who was the thing, but you need to send an amount of money in an envelope to my house. And then I considered, I can't tell you that. I can't tell you. I've been sworn to secrecy.
배우들은 알고 있었지.
But the actors knew, right?
No, they had no clue. But they had to play it human. You see, the creature imitates perfectly. He could be one of us. He could be somebody in the audience. And there's no way of telling. So I knew, they didn't know. Actors don't know anything. Come on.
네, 그때 그렇게 이 중에 누군지를 꼭꼭 감춘 게 그게 영원히 봉인되는 비밀처럼 그렇게 영화가 끝났는데 그 다음에 그 이후의 영화 데이 리브를 보면 이렇게 선글라스만 딱 끼면 다 보이잖아요. 그래서 그게 관객들을 그렇게 궁금증을 해소시켜준 그런 것이었을까요? 데이 리브.
Yeah. So the thing carries the secret to its grave, but it's a bit different in They Live. You know, with the sunglasses, the secret's revealed. And did you do that for the audience?
Well, yeah, but you know, this was my one political statement as a director, and I wanted to make. I was passionate about it, and unfortunately, a lot of it came true. If you look around today, you see a lot of ghouls in our government, and maybe you all don't agree with me. By the way, I do want to apologize to the actors in the audience. You guys do stuff that is amazing. Absolutely, no, seriously, amazing.
데이 리브에도 좀 그렇고 이제 여러 영화들에서 이제 많은 배우들과 수많은 배우들과 작업했지만 이제 커트 러셀 얘기를 안 할 수는 없을 텐데요. 네.
So, you know, you've worked with so many amazing actors, like in They Live, and all your casts are amazing. But of course, we have to talk about Kurt Russell.
어떤 의미인가요? 감독님한테는 커트 러셀이.
So, who is Kurt Russell to you? What does he mean to you?
I directed Kurt first in a TV movie called Elvis. He played Elvis Presley. And I realized this guy can play anything. He can play the phone book. He can imitate me, of all things. And he's a genius actor who's underappreciated, always has been. And I wanted him to be in my movie. So he said, well, we'll make a deal. I'll be in your movies if I like the material, if I like the script. So that was the deal. And we made a bunch of movies together. He was reluctant to make The Thing. He thought this is a monster movie. He kind of looked down on it. But then he came around, and I think he may agree with me. It's my favorite movie of mine, and I love his performance in it. So,
And actually, as a fan, I really want to see new Snake Plissken movie.
you do, huh?
A new one. Yeah. Actually, when I 같은 시내 영화관 친구랑 얘기하다가 그 내가 Escape from 나 뉴욕보다 Escape from LA나 훨씬 더 좋아하는데라고 했더니 그 친구 막 화를 내는 거예요. 야, 너 어떻게 그럴 수 있냐는데 저는 사실 LA가 더 좋거든요.
So I was talking with a friend of mine who's another huge cinephile, and I was telling him that I actually like Escape from LA better than Escape New York, and he got furious over it. He was like, "How could
He
you?"
was very angry. I don't know why. But it's my choice. 뭐 여기 동의 안 하시는 분도 계시겠지만
I mean, maybe some of you in the audience don't agree,
의견은
but
다 존중하지만
I respect everyone's opinion.
그 LA의 그 거기서만 있는 어떤 묘한 색채감과 흥분감이 있는 것 같고요. 네.
But there's such a distinct sense of like color and life and energy and excitement in Escape from LA.
And very rare chance we can see the basketball and surfing in the sci-fi movie. 그 어떻게 그 아이디어 같은 거 막 그것이 어떻게 뭔가 되게 LA다운 것으로 뭔가 생각하셨던 걸까요? 네.
I'm curious how you decided to incorporate those elements into the film. Did you think that they were very LA elements?
That was it. It was all about things in LA. Surfing began kind of here, except for Hawaii. Basketball, we're a big basketball town, and that's the way we went. And who can resist Kurt Russell and Peter Fonda surfing? Come on, guys.
본인께서도 하시는.
So did you surf as well?
No, hell no.
만약에 이제 다음 Escape 시리즈를 한다면 다음 도시는 어디로 하고 싶으세요?
If you could do a third installment of the Escape series, which city would you want to choose?
Earth. Escape from Earth.
와우. Escape from Earth.
You know now, the business is crazy, but there are producers who are developing an Escape from New York movie with a girl as Snake Plissken. I'm not kidding you. And I think that's a big mistake.
커트 러셀이어야겠죠 역시.
But it should be Kurt Russell.
But he doesn't want to play it. He thinks he's too old. And not true. You know, we've only got 2 minutes and 20 seconds left. And then I get to go meet my drug dealer. So, do you have any other questions?
그 결정적인 질문이 하나
Okay,
있네요.
I have one definitive final question.
예, 이거 약간 일적인 건데.
This is work related.
You are also amazing composer and musician. I always love your scores in the movie. Yeah. 뚱뚱. I love. Yeah. 근데 작곡할 때 어떤 악기로 하시나요? 건반 아니면은 기타?
What instrument do you use when you compose? Do you use the piano or guitar?
Well, all this is there's no composing really. There's composing in the not in the traditional sense. I don't write music, so I just play it on a synthesizer. And now I have a band with my son and godson. We're going to play in October. Expect all of you to have tickets.
와우.
And, but it depends on, the movie. It depends on what's necessary, what the movie requires. That's all what it's all about.
예.
What does it need from the score? Do we need to support a character, a scene, a theme? And look at their
시간이
It's
2분 정도
41
초과할
seconds.
거지만 되게 중요한 얘기를 제가 해야 되는데요.
So we're gonna go over a bit by 2 minutes maybe. I have one important thing to talk about.
그 많은 스코어를 작곡 만드셨는데 다 본인 작품에 하셨고요.
So you've created a lot of
대부분?
scores for your films. Most of them were done by yourself.
다른 사람의 작품에도 음악을 해주실 수 있나요?
Would you be interested in doing music for another film?
Because my
Really?
plan is my next movie is a horror
Oh,
movie. So
I want to do your score. Yes, yes, yes.
난 이제
Alright, I'm done. I'm done. I made it.
그 특히 오프닝과 엔딩에 이제 당신의 음악으로 뭔가 영화의 어떤 그러면 관객들을 한 정말 30초 안에 다 3초 안에 다 빨아들일 수 있을 것 같아요. 그래서 너무 기쁩니다 지금.
Yeah, especially if I have your music in the opening scene, I feel like I can just wheel in the audience in about 3 seconds. So I'm so happy that
feel same.
you said yes.
You got it, my friend. You got it.
오늘 이 정말 큰 스크린에서 여러분들이 4K의 괴물 많이 정말 즐기셨으면 좋겠습니다.
Please enjoy the thing tonight on this great 4K screen.